again with another video, and today we're doing jerk chicken. So get your Scotch bonnets, your garlic and your thyme, and you're going to finely dice them up and add them to a pestle and mortar. You can of course use a blender here to make things easier. So I'm going to let this play through here now, and I'll catch you at the next step. Step 2, you're going to get your spices together and your olive oil, and you're going to stick them into the blender or pestle and mortar, whatever you're using, and give them a good mix around. So you make a nice liquidy marinade that's going to be going over the chicken. So I'll let it play through here, and I'll catch you at the next step. Step 3, you're going to grab a ziplock bag and add your scored chicken into the bags, and then you're going to put your marinade over the top of it and give it a good shake. And it's best to leave it overnight so the marinade soaks right through. But if you have to eat it day of, try do it at least an hour before. So you'll see me score the chicken here with a knife and add it to the ziplock bag. I will then add the marinade into the ziplock bag and give it a good shake. So I'll let this play through here now, and I'll catch you at the next step. Step 4, preheat an oven-proof pot or pan to a high heat and add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Once the pan is hot enough, add the chicken's skin side down and cook for 5 minutes, or until the skin is golden brown and crispy. Step 6, add about a tablespoon of Lee Pardon sauce to give it that extra kick of flavour. Step 7, once 5 minutes has passed, flip the chicken back over and the skin should be crispy. If not, flip it back onto its skin for another couple of minutes. Step 8, once you flip the chicken over, place the whole dish into a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes in the oven, the chicken should be ready to serve with whatever you're into. Here I'm having a side salad with couscous, as I'm trying to keep my calories low. As with any meal, if your goals are fat loss, muscle gain or weight maintenance, the main things you should be concerned about are calories and protein. If you need help with your diet, why not consider using one of my personalised diet plans to help guide you towards your goals. You can contact me through any of my social medias shown here on the screen, and I'll be glad to help.